Master the art of formal introduction. First impressions count. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into an essential skill that's used in professional and formal settings: introducing yourself formally. More specifically, we will focus on stating your full name and title. This can be the first step to making a great impression, so let's get started. Formal introductions are crucial in professional settings such as meetings, conferences, or any situation where you need to present yourself in a respectful and dignified manner. It's all about communicating effectively and setting the tone for your interaction. Your full name and title are often the starting point for this. They give your listener crucial information about you and your role or position. When you introduce yourself, always say your full name. This communicates respect for the listener by providing complete information. It's simple, just say, "My name is," followed by your first and last name. Like this: "My name is John Doe." In a more formal setting, you may choose to include your middle name if you have one. "My name is John Michael Doe." Remember, say it clearly and with confidence. Stating your title is also vital as it informs others about your professional role or position. After stating your name, you can say your title. Here's how to do it. "My name is John Doe. I am the Chief Executive Officer at XYZ Corporation." This format allows the other person to understand your professional context and responsibilities. Be precise, yet concise. So far, we've learned to state our name and title separately. But, in real-life situations, you often have to combine them. Here's an example. "Hello, I'm John Michael Doe, the Chief Executive Officer at XYZ Corporation." This is the most common way of introducing yourself formally. It's a combination of politeness and clarity. To master formal introductions, practice is key. Think about different scenarios where you would need to introduce yourself. Practice saying your full name and title out loud. You could do this in front of a mirror, or record yourself and play it back. This will give you confidence and help you become more comfortable with your own introduction. And that wraps up our lesson on formally introducing yourself, specifically stating your full name and title. Remember, confidence and clarity are key. The way you introduce yourself can significantly influence the first impressions you make. So, practice this skill, and you'll be ready to make great formal introductions in no time. Thank you for joining me today, and keep learning English.